Yo, what's up guys? We're back again with another video here. Today we're gonna have a challenge. It's pretty much Rob's gonna pick out a good lure and a bad lure, but he's not gonna tell me, and I'm gonna do the same thing for him. And we're gonna go inside Academy. And we're also gonna have a punishment today. Stick towards the end of the video and we'll tell you about that later on.
Yep, let's get right into this. See ya. So guys, right now we're gonna go inside. We gotta zip you up. Let's get a basket. Hey. So guys, right now we're inside Academy and we're going towards the fishing section. The wonderful fishing section. Okay, let's do what we usually do, guys. Go to the very right and start.
Working our way down.
The Academy Shop and Adventure should be in the top right corner. You're about to see it right now. Here we go. And oh my. Ooh. You can bring the basket.
Yeah, you can take it.
No.
We're gonna split right now, guys. See ya.
Hold on. First, we should just restock on hooks first thing.
Oh, I'm looking over here first.
Okay.
Give a plan.
Okay, let's see what we got. So one good and one bad.
One good, one bad. You can't really tell what we got.
Yep.
So right now, I'm just looking for some good stuff here. 10% off. That one.
Look at this, guys. I don't think you could catch one on this one. Let's just continue looking. I know JJ isn't really good at soft plastics, so let's see what we got here. I'm gonna start him off with the worst lure. Something that's not gonna catch him a thing.
Should I get that for myself? Let's see. Look in the clearance section because they got some real shitty ones. Just gotta look over there.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna do the JJ. Let's see here. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do for his worst lure? I'm gonna go into the saltwater section and get him something. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, that. Oh my. Guys, look at this. Freaking jerkbait. It looks beautiful. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Oh, I know what to get. Okay, I got it. Okay, guys, look at this thing. I don't know. I've never seen JJ catch one on the swim bait. I'm trying to look for something outrageously huge. And I'll never catch him a thing. Ooh, I found it. I found the juice, guys. Oh my. Oh. Okay. Let's do it. What do we got here? I gotta do it to him. JJ's. Good luck on this. You're never gonna get that. Let him get him his good lure.
I think this one may be the winner of the choice. Big enough for a shingle. It looks like it'll catch something. All of these ones are just very colorful and stuff, which is nice. But this one's got some nice coloration to it. And it looks pretty natural. This will be his good one, guys. Okay, Charlie. Comment. Should I get this for Rob? This is worse lure. Actually, yeah, let's do it. We're gonna have a fun time with that. I want to see you struggle with that one. Okay, let's go find Rob.
Scan. Okay. No. Let's jerk shad. How deep does it go? Baby bass. 68? No. Gotta go easier on them. And this is a good video, or a good thing for us, because we could try out new lures that we never have. Maybe they will work, I don't know. How deep does that dive? Guys, look at this. How deep?
Gotta find you 2 good ones.
Look at the size of this.
You can have fun with that one, Rob.
It's a foot.
You've got 4 hours and you can do an hour with each of them.
I'm gonna just do all the easiest ones and then
All the good ones and then the terrible ones.
I might catch. What? I don't even know what to call this.
Or maybe I should get you something like that. Should I get you something like that?
You better not.
I think we can add one more one, right? I think we should add one more bad one. Just for fun. Add one extra bad one for fun, okay? You can add one extra bad one to me.
Okay.
Which means you gotta get 2 bads from 3 bads from me.
3 bads, 2 goods.
Good.
Okay. Here you
Maybe I
go.
should just get you this. There's no hook in there or nothing. It's
No, you can't. No. How much? No.
Oh, you gotta do $13, Rob. You could have gotten that hook.
Which one?
The one that you were looking at. Somehow mine came out to $26.
Oh my.
I think it had to do with the buying of a giant hook. I'll take
Thank
the change,
you.
Rob.
Fine, take that. Take 10 cents. Go. So guys, we're just finished shopping. We don't know our lures yet.
And we'll show you that tomorrow, because tomorrow's going to be the day we film the video.
Yeah.
We'll see you there tomorrow. See you guys. Yo, what's up guys? We're back again with another video here. Sorry that we didn't upload last week because we just got back into school and everything, but today we're making a video. It's not going to be a normal video of live bait. We're going to have a new
scary
pond,
video.
and we're just going to show you some of the hooks that we have.
Yeah.
We've got some bad ones, we've got some good ones. We're going to spin a wheel to see who gets what hook.
Some of the worst lures, let me add. This monstrosity. I don't even know what you're going to catch on this.
A gator?
A grouper jig.
I don't even know what this is. I got this from the clearance rack.
We got the Red Daddy.
I don't know why it's called that, people, but... And we've also got this rig. we've got a whole bunch more. Oh, and also look at this, guys. A small hook. And we're pretty much gonna have some fun today. Some of those are actually good, and we don't even know if they're good or not. So stay tuned. I don't know if we're gonna have a challenge for this video because we don't even have the stuff, but we're pretty much gonna go around the lake and get set up. Got any words, guys?
Nope. Let's get right to it.
Alright, see ya later.
See ya.
I got the Red Daddy, guys.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
I got the Red Daddy again.
No, you don't. You got the worm. Right there. The worm. You're respinning. Respin one more time. Do you need me to go carry it on you?
There's no
Stop doing that. I think you cannot do that. You are not fishing in that lake. You're hurting the fish. Wait, do you have the phone footage?
Yes, this is hilarious.
That'll be good. Just
Ready? Here, we'll just spin the first time around.
I can't even see it, but
Swim bait. Which one's that?
giant swim bait. No. This one, right?
Oh, alright.
Okay, Blake.
JJ, your turn. We'll just not record this.
No, just record it
Alright,
anyway.
spin.
Let's see. Come on, Red Daddy.
Cool.
Get the shark, get the shark.
Crank.
You got the crankbait.
That?
This or that? Oh no, this is tiny crank.
Yeah.
Whatever it is, tiny crank.
Yeah.
Give that one.
Okay, give me it.
Okay, this is actually one of my good ones.
You little shit. Give me something good.
But Rob.
Small.
Oh yeah, we're covering the lighting.
Yes.
Small.
Small what?
Small crankbait.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So?
That's actually good. So is it
Okay.
as many fish as you can catch at once?
Yep.
Yep, in that 20-minute.
Alright guys, see ya when we guys catch something, if we do.
Okay, so the next 20
Alright.
minutes all.
Oh, okay, we're doing that.
But you
one.
only need it for like every 20 minutes, so.
Okay, let's do this.
Ask you.
You guys can't see right now, but we have a wild lake in its natural habitat. He's going to ask water, and we don't know what else. He's going for the water. He sees the people. He asks some kids for water. If he's gonna get water, who knows? He has got water. He has gotten the savored fruit. He has the water, and he is ready to go. Here he comes, the natural predator, coming back. Okay.
Oh my God, guys. Yes!
First fish should be up in the polls with Rob. He's in first place, '1 with a dink. Oh, I think you actually snagged him.
No, because it got him in the mouth right there.
Hello?
No, I think you snagged him on the side of the mouth.
I didn't mean to hang
Do you have any pliers?
No.
My phone's gonna die, so I'll call you from JJ's phone.
First one.
Dink.
Wow.
You're lucky. That's probably the only fish you'll catch.
Probably.
Wait,
There
what are
he
you gonna
goes.
name him?
Billy.
Billy the bass.
Okay.
Thank you, Billy. See ya.
Alright, so we spinned again, but we didn't have time to record it because our phones are dying. But I got a grub. Dexter, what did you get?
The
Oh,
worm
he
that
got
has
the
a-
weird
Yeah,
worm
it's
tube
like-
thing.
yeah.
And
I got the winner, boys.
JJ's got this
Pink Panther.
monstrosity of a lure. That thing's probably bigger than his forearm.
Maybe put it up to it. Oh my! Look at the hooks.
Let me see it. Yeah, and that thing's supposed to dive like at least 20 feet.
Maybe a little deeper.
Yeah, he's not catching anything,
Yes,
guys.
it really is
Alright,
super slow.
we'll see you guys if we catch anything. But it looks like it's about to rain, so who knows how long we're gonna be out here.
Oh no, we're being out here.
Whatever.
We'll have to go to the park where it has shelter.
Not really. We have giant cojones. so we'll be good. See you guys later.
Okay, so we're back right now. We all changed our hooks because the timer's up. I've got this hook,
The Red Daddy.
Red Daddy.
I got the crankbait.
It's not even red.
The hook is.
I got the crankbait. I think I can catch some of this. And he got the saltwater shrimp.
It's gonna catch something.
I doubt it. All right, guys. See y'all if we catch anything.
Why did we all buy saltwater stuff?
We didn't catch anything last time, but we got a couple bites. See y'all.
So guys, right now, Blake is tied with me.
Yep. This is Jeffrey the bass.
Jeffrey. We just saw big
4 or 5 pound bass. Just rolling by. I don't think I can catch him.
and I'm out because I have a frick. Yo, what's up guys? We're back again and it's Boris. I caught Boris. Hi Boris. What you gotta say? Huh? It's okay. And these are like mud turtles. They stay this size for a while. And yeah, you just stick it out as a little flipper. So cute. Last guy, we named him Boris because in the last video, we asked somebody what we should name Boris and or this turtle, and it's Boris. And we see him once in a while around the pond, swimming, doing daily turtle things. And yeah, we got a bunch of bluegills out there feeding. And that's the daily update on Boris. See ya. There goes Boris. Come on. Off he goes.